This is the Mysore Zoo. Let's see what all are there in this zoo. This looks like a beautiful bird. Very nice. What are you doing, bird? Oh, I think there are so many birds in this cage. Are these parrots? Oh, what is this bird? Are you alone? It has very long legs. Oh my god! What is this bird? I got scared seeing this bird. Come, let's go and see more. Where are you going, leopard? Don't go away. Oh man. Oh, I see more leopards. Nice. Oh, this leopard is coming back to its place. Interesting. What do you wanna do now? Nothing? This leopard looks so sleepy, lazy leopard. It doesn't want to come away. And what are you? What are you doing here? What's that? That's a tiger. National animal of India. Hello, tiger. Are you sleepy? You just look like a statue. Lion. That looks nice. It has so much of fur. Of course, right? Why are you seeing like that at people? So funny. You're walking away now? What? There are no animals over here. Oh my god! It looks like a monkey. You were just like a statue and I got scared. Zebra, do you wanna just go out of that cage? Don't you wanna live in that home? Zebra. Oh, I see a cheetah now. What are you doing, cheetah? There are 2-3 cheetahs over here. Hello, cheetah. They're coming. What do you wanna do, cheetah? You're coming, friend. More friend. And more friend. Are you gonna kill us? Then why are you coming, friend? Okay, you just wanna see us? Then hello, cheetah. Oh, rhino. Lazy rhino. You don't even want to walk? Very lazy, I think you are. Oh, it's a small fountain. It's nice. What is that? I can't see you guys properly. Oh, small bear, you look so cute. I just want you. You know why? I always feel cold, so I just want your fur as my blanket. You look so cute. These. Very nice these. Elephant. Hello, elephant. Where is your baby? I want to see your baby. You don't have a baby? Oh, sad. Okay, at least where is your family? Oh, you're going near your family. Carry on. Are you doing yoga poses? What statue are you? Where's the animal? I want to see. The animal. What? Are you moving? So you're another bear. Nice. You look more fluffy than the small bears. You were just like a statue. What? Are you doing circus? You're walking on some rope. Are you thinking you're walking on some rope? You're doing a circus to show us all? That's nice. What? What is this, please? I can't see anything. Crocodile. You do look a bit scary. What? So many cranes? They look so beautiful. I hope they will fly. I want to see them open their wings. Please, crane, open your wings. Oh, you opened. Thank you very much, crane. Oh, hello, ostrich. Why is it two ostrich? One is in brownish color and one is in black color. Tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick. That's how you guys work. Giraffe is one of my favorites. Now what are you gonna show? Are you gonna show your talent? Oh, that giraffe is showing. See how tall I am. I could eat a tree's leaves. Okay, now congratulations. You do it very nice. Hello, giraffe. You're so unique. You take one bite and keep one step. That's very funny. Okay, so you're walking and eating. Nice. This looks so funny. Small tail, but a long neck.